y'all. Just wanted to record this short video to let you know that you can absolutely 100% make a fantastic living working from home, fixing other people's credit. Check out the video real quick. Credit Repair Cloud, the absolute #1 way to automate your own work at home credit repair business. Work a few hours a day from the comfort of your own home. You can see I'm in my backyard today doing yard work while my software is helping other people fix their credit and I'm getting paid for it. So, hey, check out the quick video, click the link right below, right down here for a little bit more information and start your free trial. Hey, it's free to start, you can check it out. So why not? Change your life, fix other people's credit and get paid for it. Check out the video below and best of luck in your new career.
Credit Repair Cloud is the world's first cloud-based credit repair software. Because it runs in the cloud, there is no software to install. You'll have instant access from any computer, tablet, or smartphone to manage every aspect of your business. You'll log in at Credit Repair Cloud, but your clients and affiliates have their own access. It's private label, showing only your logo and your company information to look as if custom built just for you. We include marketing materials to promote your business, an instant website, a live training session with one of our experts, a full financial library with over 100 credit dispute letters, plus contracts, power of attorney, and more. Organize and manage every aspect of your business and handle credit disputes faster than any other method. Let's go on a tour of Credit Repair Cloud. On the home page, you'll see an overview of your entire business and everything important to you. Notifications of new leads, messages, and reminders appear here. To add a new client, we just click Add New Client, but for the sake of this tour, we'll click here for a sample client. Here we see our client's dashboard page with an overview of his account so we can track the work being done, changes to the scores, and status of items we've disputed, plus reminders, communication, billing, and the paperwork and credit reports we've imported here to our paperless office. And here's the most important button on this page, the Credit Dispute Wizard. This will be the first step you take with all your clients. Here in the wizard are 3 choices: order credit reports, review credit reports, and correct errors. We're going to start with number 1, order credit reports. Here we can order credit reports by mail, online, or from our favorite provider. But for right now, we're going to order our free annual reports from Annual Credit Report Service. We click here. We choose the bureaus. We click Next. And boom, here's our letter all ready to sign and send, and it's that easy. Once we get the credit reports back, we move on to step number 2, reviewing credit reports. 79% of all credit reports have errors. This means that nearly 8 out of 10 reports will improve immediately, and you can do more reading right up here in documentation. Now, once we've gone through and circled the items to dispute, we move on to step number 3. Disputing errors. Watch this clock to see how we create 3 credit dispute letters in less than 1 minute. We always start with a round 1 basic dispute letter. We enter the report numbers. We add a new dispute item. We choose all 3 bureaus. For furniture, let's say Sears. Account number. The reason for the dispute, let's say the following account is not mine. For instructions, let's say, please remove this inaccurate information from my credit report. Now let's add another. The bureaus. The furniture. American Express. Account number. Reason. For reason, let's say, the following account was a bankruptcy charge-off, balance should be 0. For instructions, please correct and update. When we're done, we click Continue. We select the items to include, we click Next, and boom, here's our client's information, our 2 disputes, and we have just created 3 credit dispute letters in less than 1 minute, all ready to sign and send, and it's that easy. To see more, just log in and try it yourself. Work smarter and increase your revenue with the most advanced credit repair business system in the world, Credit Repair Cloud.
Pretty cool stuff, right? So now that you've watched the video, I'm sure you get it. Credit Repair Cloud is the best way to start your own credit repair business. And man, it's just so easy. You get a 30-day free trial. You start out fixing your credit, the people in your family's credit, a few other people. And in 30 days, you're gonna have results using the software program that you can show other people as examples. Be like, hey, I just raised my credit score 60, 70, 80, over 100 points. My wife's credit score or my husband's credit score, 75 points in 30 days. Then you start charging people a little bit, maybe $100 per item that you get removed. Average, get 3 or 4 items removed from each person. That's $300 or $400. You're making a positive impact on their credit score, and the software does most of the work for you. $300 to $400 per client. And the software in the beginning package is only $179 a month. So one client per month more than pays for your software. Plus you get to repair your credit to begin with anyway. It's a smoking deal. Click the link, sign up for the free trial, 30 days, check it out, and then start your business.